Krishna everyone. So today I am making Pav Bhaji. So let's get started.
Pav Bhaji is one of my favorite dish from Indian cuisine. It is simple to make and tasty to eat, and it's healthy too. It is made with vegetables, so it is good way to make your child to eat all the veggies. Heat up the pressure cooker, add the butter and little oil so that the butter is not burned. After that, add 2 chilies or as many or as less you like. The vegetable I added here is cauliflower, carrot, potato, beetroot, peas, and I don't use any food color. Instead, I add beetroot, which has a natural color, so it make your pav bhaji look beautiful. And I'm the child who don't eat any veggies. So yeah, we exist. You can add green chilies, but I have already added 2 chilies, so I won't add. So I will add chopped onion, ginger garlic paste and tomato. After that, we will mash the vegetables and add the mashed veggies in the pan, and we will add water if needed to maintain the consistency. After that, I will add the spices like salt to taste, turmeric, cumin, coriander powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, pav bhaji masala, and stir the spices very well. At last, add pav bhaji masala, butter and garnish with coriander. For pav, heat butter and add the pav and make it crispy. Don't forget to put lemon on the bhaji, it will make it next level. Lemon is the must to add for the extra and better taste of bhaji. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching, and if you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and have a great day.